Hello there, this is Random News and today's topic is new BEST services by Ishan Priya MS. With the new Aqualine Metro route estimated to take up significant ridership from BEST buses, especially last mile ridership on shorter routes such as between Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus CSMT and Mantralaya and in the bus district of Bandra Kurla Complex BKC, the Transport Authority is set to study the change in commuters' travel patterns for further route rationalization, providing new fees, routes, and effectively increases compensation BEST's commuter traffic. An official from BEST said the study is part of ongoing efforts to understand the changes in commute patterns of Mumbaikars and help BEST plan route rationalization effectively. The study kick off in full swing on Monday. The Aqualine, which operates between RA and Cafe Parade, started in full operations on October 8 after its partial operations between BKC and Acharya Atre Chowk in Valli commenced on May 10. Several commuters rely on BEST buses especially for short distance routes for last mile connectivity during peak traffic hours. However, with the inauguration of the Aqualine, commuters now have the option of taking the underground metro for traveling short distances. We have anticipated a reduction. The number of commuters on roads that coincide with the Aqualine's route are likely to reduce during the past months, the BEST official said, adding that it is possible to accurately gauge the impact on loss of BEST's commuters when schools and colleges are reopened after the Diwali season. We need to study which BEST routes have now become redundant or non-feasible. We also need to study which routes will now need more buses for effective last mile connectivity. For example, between a metro station and a popular destination that is nearest to the metro station, we will conduct the study to understand how travel patterns have changed to that buses can be provided where they are needed. This is a part of an ongoing process of route rationalization. On November 1, BEST rationalized 23 key routes and also expanded its fleet of air-conditioned buses to enhance connectivity and operational efficiency. As part of the revamp, BEST has introduced a new service, A101, between the World Trade Centers, Cafe Parade and CSMT. It has also converted 8 routes to ply only air-conditioned buses. Please do subscribe my channel Random News.